To our alumni and friends, I hope you are doing well during these difficult and challenging times. You know, one of my favorite things to do each month is bring the Rogers Report directly to you to highlight some of the best things about Bowling Green State University. But since COVID-19 has rocked our communities, and with so much going on, we are foregoing our traditional video this month, and I believe it is important we share some updates on how our university is responding to this global pandemic. In the last 3 weeks, our faculty and students transitioned to an online teaching and learning model, and that will continue until the end of the semester. To adapt to these changes, we've changed internal university policies that offer more flexible grading options. Our approach to our robust research activity is now mission-critical functions only. And faculty have had to quickly learn new pedagogies and be creative in changing their delivery of their courses. And while most of our students are back home or living in Bowling Green, about 100 students who needed their home to be on campus still have a place here. I have to admit, our campuses are quiet. But like you, I have been spending limited time in the office and more at home. I am proud of Ohio Governor Mike DeWine's commitment and leadership to position Ohio as a national leader in the fight to combat COVID-19. In just a few days, we transitioned the majority of our staff to work remotely. While our learning community is now mostly virtual, we are still offering the support and robust experiences our students have come to expect at a comprehensive university. From academic advising to remote counseling, we believe now more than ever that we have to engage and help one another so that we've built a very comprehensive initiative to keep learning, keep teaching, and keep working. Like many of you in your communities, we've stepped up to support those serving on the front lines of this global pandemic. We've donated our stock of personal protective equipment. We've opened our doors to the American Red Cross to host blood drives. But we also recognize that all of us have been personally impacted by COVID-19. Whether you are caring for children now at home, dealing with employment challenges, or you or a loved one are even battling this virus, please know that you are in our thoughts. You know, it's not lost on us that the financial impact COVID-19 is having on our students. First and foremost, we remain committed to them and have offered prorated refunds to all of them for their unused housing, dining, and parking plans. These are indeed challenging times for our students who are facing financial hardship. We've launched a giving effort raising more than $90,000 for our student emergency funds, and it supports those with basic needs such as rent, utilities, or food. More than 550 students have applied for this assistance since this crisis hit, and we are appreciative of our alumni and friends who were able to support this fund. You know, no one could have certainly imagined the impact COVID-19 would have had on our semester just a few weeks ago. And the truth is, we still don't know what the long-term impact is. It's been a day-by-day process, tackling decisions one by one, certainly keeping our commitment to our students first and foremost. We are pushing ourselves to think anew and to act anew. There is no doubt our university will be forever changed. But we are in this together, people helping people, supporting, encouraging, and caring for one another. You know, I am struck that is exactly what we do as a public university for the public good. But please know, as our alumni and friends, whether you are in Ohio or states away, it is your daily actions in your own communities that represents who we are at Bowling Green. As a fellow alumnus, I am thankful for your commitment to our alma mater.